Have you ever wondered why you are not losing weight? Have you ever wondered why you can't keep away from eating that junk food and why you are not reaching your weight loss goal? Well, if you are that person, then stay with me to the end of this video because I've got a solution for you. Hey everyone, I'm Aisha and I'm a nutrition and weight management consultant. In this video, I will be showing you the tips on how to develop your mindset so that you can have the determination to reach your weight loss goals. With that in mind, I have to tell you something. Good. I have got some bonuses for you, which if you click the link below this video, you will be able to put your name and email address and claim them if you want to. These videos are tutorial videos. I've got 2 bonuses tutorials that you will be able to go through them and start generating income from the comfort of your own home or from the comfort of your bedroom if you like. You don't have to go and rent a shop. You don't have to pay overheads or charges of any venue. So you can do this online from the comfort of your own home. Hey, if you want to lose weight, why not make an income as well? There's no harm in that. Especially in this period of COVID-19, people have stayed at home and have eaten silly. They put on weight. They want to shed it off. Some people have lost their income. Some people have lost their jobs. And if you're not one of them, you're one of the lucky people who haven't, there's no harm in making extra income anyway. So with that in mind, let's talk about these 2 bonuses. Bonus number 1 is worth $147, which is how to make money on Fiverr. You will be able to set up making money on Fiverr from the comfort of your bedroom online. And the money will keep coming in so long as you put it into practice, not just watch the tutorial and do nothing about it. That's bonus number 1. Yeah, interesting videos. I advise you to go through these tutorials and put them into practice. Now, bonus number 2 is setting up your first membership site. What I mean by that is that you'll be able to set up your own membership whereby people can come and register with you and they pay you money, maybe weekly, maybe 2 weekly, maybe monthly or even yearly. Some people do it yearly. That's it, less headache, yearly. And with this membership, income will be coming. You'll also be able to do it from the comfort of your bedroom or home, and it's worth $47 plus. So if you're interested, just click the link below this video at the end and put in your name and address and download your videos. Okay, so let's go into our points now. Scrolling up. So mindset tips for weight loss. And point number 1 is about eat only when you're hungry. That's right. Eat only when you're hungry. Never you go eating if you're not hungry just to top up. It's not good. So you need to make a distinction between physical hunger and emotional hunger in order to achieve this point number 1. Physical hunger, you see, comes on gradually over hours. Then you start to feel hungry. Maybe after you've eaten your breakfast, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, you start feeling hungry. Yeah. Emotional hunger on the other side comes on suddenly like that. Yeah. It's that feeling of feeling bored and stressed and upset, and you say to yourself, oh, I need that chocolate cake. Oh, I need that Coke. Oh, I need to eat that chips in order to feel good, in order to feel better. Well, you don't. But this is emotional hunger. And in order to avoid that, you need to learn to listen to your body. That's right. Learn to listen to your body so that you can tell the difference between real starvation and real hunger. Yeah? You need to know the difference between when you're starving and when you're hungry. And also the trick is never allow yourself to feel starving, not to eat food to the extent that you are starving. It's not good. At the same time, do not, when you sit down to eat food, stuff yourself to the extent of being sick. Not good either. So what you need to do is stay in the middle. Don't stuff yourself and don't starve yourself. That way, your relationship with food is going to be fantastic. With that in mind, let's jump into point number 2. Now, point number 2 is out of sight, out of mind. With this, I mean, remove everything, take out everything that is junk from your home. That's right. Things like Coke, you don't need them. They're full of sugar. And sugar will raise your insulin. And we've talked about insulin previously. You make insulin, you make weight. That's right. Insulin, you make it, you take anything sugary, you're going to make insulin to mop up the sugar, and with that comes on the weight. You pay the price. So, out of sight, out of mind, move everything from your home that is junk, full of chemicals, full of sugar, out of home. Leave only the food that will nourish your body. Yeah, that is good for you. So leave it at home so that you don't fall into the temptation of eating this junk food. And don't deceive yourself and say, well, yes, I've got the determination, I'm going to leave it at home and I will control myself. No, you can't. You're not going to be able to control yourself when you feel that stressed. You're just going to go and dive into it and you start eating. Before you know what's happening, you finish that big cake down your throat and you are feeling sick. So don't do it. I'm keeping this video short and sweet so that next time I can give you more points on how to develop your mindset and keep onto your weight loss goal. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, this channel, if you haven't done so. And also, don't forget to like and share and comment. So, I'll be seeing you around, and you take care now, and goodbye for now.